Bonjour Coconut Grove and the rest of the world. My name is Isabel Andrews. Today is July 23rd, 2020, and we're going to give you a market report about the second quarter of 2020. Well, everybody knows what happened this second quarter, and of course the sales volume of the single family homes in Coconut Grove are decreased by 46% over last year for the same quarter. For year to date, because we had a tremendous first quarter, the total decrease is only 20%. What is important also to say is the cash transaction represents 31% this quarter versus last year, which was over 40%. So, what happened with the inventory for sale? What is very interesting is that sellers, knowing the state of the market of the second quarter, have delayed the introduction of their property on the market. So even though the volume sold decreased by 42% and the number of homes sold decreased by 46%, the inventory for sale, available for sale, decreased by 29%. The market behaves differently depending on the price point. It's still a seller's market for homes priced under $2 million. And this morning we just ran the numbers again for the third quarter. And that is very interesting to notice. We already see a recovery for the third quarter. So here's the latest numbers that we published this morning. Pending sales, as of today, we have 25 homes pending under contract. Sold since July 1st, 13 homes sold, which is a total of 38 homes already sold or under contract. Last year, for the third quarter 2019, 48 homes sold. So we're only 10 homes apart. So we know already that the third quarter 2020 is going to overperform the same quarter in 2019. So a recovery. This recovery is going to be monitored every week by Alba and I, and hopefully it will go into the fourth quarter 2020. Now Alba will give you a market update for the condo market.
Hello, so my name is Alba Biondi. I am the business partner of Isabel Andrews. You noticed we are not together in the same space. So what happened with the condo market during the second quarter of 2020? Very similar to the single family home, but the market was lower 59% compared with same quarter last year. Only 29 condos sold in Coconut Grove during the second quarter. The volume also lower 44%. The good news is that as of today, we have 22 condos pending under contract in Coconut Grove. So if we add these 22, we are very optimistic. And also since July 1st, 8 condos sold. So that brings us to a total of 22 condos sold. And that will be for a total of 30 condos. And we are still early in the quarter. Last year we sold 59. So we are positive, and Coconut Grove offers beautiful condo properties that are very special, very unique with ocean views. And we are also forecasting this next quarter that will be much better in volume and also in units sold. We know for you it's very important to be informed about what is happening in the market. So stay tuned. Follow us in Instagram, in Facebook, or we will bring to you the latest numbers in the market for make you available all the information to take the right decision in your real estate investments. Call us or check grovexpert.com, and I hope to see you soon.